Hello Falcons, and welcome back to another sentence diagramming lesson. Today we are doing lesson number 16. Our title is Subject Complements 1. When you're ready, go ahead and turn to a new page. And to stay organized, let's go ahead and title this new page, again, lesson 16, Subject Complements 1. Let's start with a basic sentence. My brother is a doctor. All right, in this sentence, we have a few different key pieces that we need to talk about today. First, let's do what we always do. Let's find our subject. Our subject is brother. And our verb this time is actually called a linking verb. What this linking verb is doing, our verb is, and what it's doing is it's connecting the subject of the sentence with the word or a phrase that identifies it. So is connecting brother to doctor. Let's go ahead and write down some information about linking verbs. The most common linking verb is the verb to be. And these, again, they connect or link the subject of a sentence with a word that identifies it. Okay, now we have to figure out what that word doctor is. There's a very fancy name for this, and it's called the subject complement. Now, there are two different kinds of subject complements. There are predicate nominatives, can you guys try saying that word for me? All together. Go for it. Predicate nominatives. And there are predicate adjectives. Now, these are different, but they're diagrammed the same way. A predicate nominative, which we'll focus on today, is a noun or a pronoun that follows a linking verb and helps identify the subject. All right, let's go ahead and actually practice a sentence. Let's take the sentence, that judge is Gloria's uncle. Okay, here we have our subject, which is judge, and our verb, our linking verb, is the word is. Now, is linking judge to uncle. Okay, let's go ahead and start diagramming this. We're going to have just our basic line. On the left will go our subject as per usual. On the right we'll have our linking verb is. Now this is where things get kind of special. When we have a linking verb and then we have the predicate nominative, in this case uncle, because it's connecting or it's telling us more about the judge, we're going to go ahead and do a slanted line on our baseline. And after it we're going to write the word uncle. Okay, now we still have the word that, and we have Gloria's. That answers the question of which judge. Which judge, everybody? Yes, that judge. So we're going to draw a slanted line to show that that is an adjective. It's telling us more about the judge. And then we have Gloria's. Well, Gloria's tells me whose uncle. So I'm going to go ahead and write that underneath the word uncle. Okay, great. I think we're ready to practice. Just don't forget to draw that slanted line in between your linking verb and your predicate nominative. Fancy stuff, y'all. Good luck. Sarah almost forgot the wave.